Hey guys, it's Blackryu here, and we're back from the dojo. And I got a quick question for everyone. Are you looking to make your mornings more productive and energize your day before heading into work? You've come to the right place. Today, I'll be sharing with you a fantastic 30-minute morning workout routine that you can easily squeeze in before your daily grind. This routine is specially tailored to get you physically primed and mentally prepared for your day ahead, irrespective of the kind of job that you have. This morning routine is not just an exercise set, but also a way to awaken your senses and get your blood pumping. A healthy start to the day can lead to increased productivity and positivity. So I'll guide you through a series of dynamic warm-ups, an intense 20-minute workout, and a refreshing cool down, ensuring that every muscle group is engaged and your body is ready to take on the challenges of the day. Let's kick things off with a warm-up. It's crucial to wake up your muscles and gradually elevate your heart rate for the intensive workout ahead. Start by standing tall and roll your shoulders backward and forward for about 30 seconds each. Next, extend your arms and do big arm circles, both forward and backwards. This is great for loosening up the shoulders. Now shift the focus to the legs. Swing one leg forward and backward, keeping it straight, then switch to the other leg. Also, don't forget the ankles. Do ankle circles clockwise and counterclockwise. Next, walk in place and try to touch your knees with the opposite elbows to activate your core. Get your heart pumping with some classic jumping jacks for 30 seconds, followed up with some butt kickers. Jog in place, kicking your heels up towards your butt. Finish the warm-up with reaching side bends. Stand with feet hip width apart, reach one arm over your head, and bend your torso to the opposite side. Don't forget to alternate sides. Now, for the main event, it's 20 minutes of intensity that will leave you feeling invigorating. Start with push-ups. Place your hands shoulder width apart, keep your core tight, and lower yourself until your chest is nearly touches the ground. Then push back up. Do 10 to 15 reps. This is excellent for your chest, arms, and core. Spring up to your feet for star jumps. Squat lightly and then jump, extending your arms and legs out like a star. Do this for 30 seconds. Now let's hit those legs with body weight squats. Keep your feet shoulder width apart and squat down as if sitting in a chair. Do 10, rest for 30 seconds, and do another 10. Feel the burn in your legs, glutes, and core. Now, it's time to do some bear crawls. Start in a push-up position, but with your knees bent at 90 degrees. Crawl forward for 10 seconds and then backwards for 10 seconds. Lastly, get into a plank position and hold for 30 seconds, engaging your core. You've powered through the workout. Now, let's cool down. This is the key for bringing your heart rate down gradually and lengthening those muscles. Begin by taking deep breaths, raising your arms as you inhale and lowering them as you exhale. For your biceps, place your hands on the wall, fingers pointing down, and gently lean forward. To stretch your triceps, lift one arm overhead, bend it so your hand is reaching down your back, and gently push your elbow down with your other hand. Roll your shoulders to release tension. Clasp your hands behind you and gently pull them away from your body for a great chest stretch. Now, let's stretch the lower body. Sit down with one leg extended and reach for your toes to stretch the hamstrings. To stretch your calves, place the ball of your foot on a step or against the wall and lean forward. For the quads, lay on your side and grab your ankle, pulling it towards your butt while keeping your knees together. Finally, end the cool down with a full body stretch. Stand up straight, take a deep breath, and reach your arms above your head, extending your whole body. And that's it. Doing this workout daily will help you feel more energized throughout the day. Remember, consistency is key, so try to make this a regular part of your morning. You'll not only feel better physically, but mentally as well. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share your experience in the comments section below. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to Blackryu Fitness for more workout routines, fitness tips, and motivation. Stay strong and keep moving. I'll see you guys in the next one.